I want you to race that way. Okay, come back. Hi.
Hi.
How are you? Can you say dog food?
Dog food.
Can you say kitty?
D.
How about dad?
Dad.
How about dad on chair?
Dad. Dad. Boo. 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 Boo.
Blue? Are you trying to get up on the chair with me?
Whoa. 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 Doggy.
Can we read?
Whoa.
What's this?
Whoa.
Brown bear?
Read.
Read? Brown bear. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? Green frog. Green frog, what do you see? What's that? Kitty. A purple cat looking at me.
Dog.
Dog? Is that a white dog?
Read.
More read. What's that?
Big bat.
Big ba? Big sheep?
Big.
What is it again? A big fish? Here's a teacher.
Read.
Open. There's children. One more.
Read. Read.
Okay. Ooh, what's this? Here's a brown bear, a red bird,
D.
a kitty. What's that? Frog?
Boo.
Green. Fish.
Dog.
Duck. Yeah.
Dog.
Dog. Teacher.
Hmm.
Dog. What does a dog say?
But.
Bark. What does a cat say?
Meow.
What's this?
Nay.
What color's the neigh?
Boo.
Blue. What's this?
Ba.
Black. Sheep. Ba. Do you know what a duck says?
Quack.
Quack. What does a bear say?
One.
Run? Oh yeah?
Ba. One.
Ba.
Dog. One. Dog. One.
Hey,
Kitty. One.
kitty, run.
Nay. One.
Can you count the number of animals?
Mm.
1,
Mm.
2. You say 2?
Two.
Then 3,
One. D.
3,
D.
4.
Dog.
Dog.
Nay.
That's not a neigh.
Nay.
Not a neigh. What is that?
Nay.
It's not a neigh. Where's the neigh?
Eh.
Is the neigh yellow? No. Is the
No.
neigh blue? Uh-huh.
Boo.
Green. Green.
Mm-mm.
Where's the fish?
Eh.
Good job. Duck. Okay. What
Movie.
letters do you see?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
What other letters?
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yeah.
A.
A. Good job.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
2 O.
2 O's? What letter is this?
B.
Good job. What letter is this?
B.
B. What's this one?
E.
E. Good job.
Moo.
What's this one?
Moo. E.
More E's? Yeah. What letter is this down here?
T.
T.
A.
A.
Eh.
That's a W.
Eh.
H.
Whoa.
Good job.
Whoa. Boo. 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 D.
Purple. Kitty. A.
Maggie. Maggie.
Where's your kitty?
Maggie.
Is your kitty upstairs? Is your kitty outside?
No.
No.
D. Up.
Kitty's up. Okay.